Seamus?
Yes, sir.
Come here for a second. Did you know that your sink is clogged?
With?
No, your sink is...
That's bad. I'll take the clog.
Seamus has an amazing backyard, a patio, a pool, a hot tub. But one of the coolest things here is this coach house. Now inside there, a bit of an outdated bar. He's asked me to give him a hand, and he's gonna cook up a barbecue.
How you doing?
Oh!
Rough day?
No, it's gonna be a great day. If we can get this bar as nice as the rest of the backyard.
Yeah, it's been a bit of an issue. It's a great bar, it's functional, but at the same time, it's pretty dated.
I remember this phone.
There you go.
It's 1970, they want their bar back. Here are my thoughts. We update the space, we make it brighter, and we do something cool, like a bit of a theme, rather than sort of the random Phantom of the Opera scene going on over here.
Sweet.
I'm impressed, you guys really know how to raise the bar. Here is my plan. This is called Curdy board. Let me show you how we build this all in one day. That's gonna be the front edge, so you get the nice,
very nice
nosing on there. And then we can use tiles for your countertop. So we can make a custom countertop.
Oh, sweet.
In a very short period of time. Are you happy with this?
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Have you ever grouted before?
No, haven't grouted before.
Pour me just a little bit of water in here. A little bit more than that.
So maybe
that's enough. Ah! So it's okay to go back and forth, but ideally on your finish pass, you're going on an angle, and you'll notice when you go on an angle, it leaves a nice consistent level grout line, versus if you came straight across it, what you're going to have is like a V.
It was going well.
Oh, you know what, Seamus?
Yeah, man.
Why don't I wrap this up? Why don't
Okay.
you go finish making the food? You should be a Seamus of yourself.
It's hamburgers. It needs a name, so we'll call it Shamey Special Burgers. Start out with lean ground pork, and then basically I run around the fridge and find all the ingredients that need to be thrown out and throw them in the Shamey burgers. Okay, that's good to go.
Seamus is from Ireland, he's Irish, so I thought, boom, give him a little taste of home here. All right, I better get her done. Seamus has been inside working on those burgers for a better part of 2 hours now. Maybe he's making a few things. Burgers, potato salad. Would have thought the barbecue would have been on by now though, because we're getting close.
So Scott, I'm working all day on the famous Seamus burger, so here you go.
Ketchup on the bottom.
Sorry, don't like ketchup.
What?
No ketchup.
Now I don't even know if we're friends anymore. You're mixing sauces?
Oh, yeah.
Who mixes sauces like that?
Seamus the famous.
Oh, that was good. You know what's interesting about the pork burger? It doesn't need bacon. It's like it's built in, kind of. Come on.
Right here?
Right here.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Oh, look at this.
Right?
Wow. That's amazing.
Welcome.
It looks a little different. Just a little different. And we're in Ireland. Look at this.
I know. Come on. I got your
this
heritage over there.
This is crazy. It looks good. My grouting job turned out amazing.
This is a keg fridge, the kegerator. And
Wow.
you may notice we have a keg in there. To Seamus and his new bar that finally fits everything else in his life, a toast.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.